السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fourth part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic for Beginners, Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. At-Ta'bir, express yourself. At-Ta'bir, learn to express yourself in Arabic. At-Ta'bir, we are going to learn from this lesson how to express ourselves in Arabic using some basic terms in Arabic. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Wahid, number one. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Meaning, who is the owner of the pencil? Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Just like the way we say, Liman hadha al-kitab. Liman hadha al-kitab. Whose book is this? Or Liman hadha al-qalam. Liman hadha al-qalam. Whose pen is this? Wahid number one. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Meaning, who is the owner? Ithnan. Number two. Al-mirsamu li Zayd. Al-mirsamu li Zayd. The pen is for Zayd. Al-mirsamu li Zayd. Al-mirsamu li Zayd. The pencil is for Zayd. Afwan. The pencil is for Zayd. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Now the answer. Al-mirsamu li Zayd. The pencil is for Zayd. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu li Nabila. Al-mirsamu li Nabila. The pencil is for Nabila, meaning it belongs to her. She is the owner. Al-mirsamu li Nabila. The pencil is for Nabila. The pencil belongs to Nabila. Arba'a, number four. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu li. The pencil is mine. Al-mirsamu li. The pencil is mine, meaning it is owned by me and it belongs to me. Khamsa, number five. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu lahu. Al-mirsamu lahu. The pencil is his, meaning it belongs to him and it is owned by him. Sitta, number six. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu laha. Al-mirsamu laha. The pencil is hers, meaning it belongs to her and it is owned by her. Sab'a, number seven. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu lak. Al-mirsamu laka. The pencil is yours, meaning it belongs to you and it is owned by you. Thamaniya, number eight. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu laki. Al-mirsamu laki. The pencil is yours, meaning it belongs to you and it is owned by you. Talking to a single female person. Tisya, number nine. Liman hadha al-mirsam. Whose pencil is this? Al-mirsamu lana. Al-mirsamu lana. The pencil is ours, meaning it belongs to us and it is owned by us. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. At-Tadrib, class fun. At-Tadrib, revision exercise. Tick the right box. Wahid, number one. Qalam. Qalamun. So which of the two images do you think that represent qalam as a word in Arabic? Qalamun. Qalamun. Is it the one in green color or the one in red color? Ithnan, number two. Mimhatun. Mimhatun. So which of the two images do you think that represent mimhat? Is it the one with green box or the one with red box? So you choose the answer. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.